Hi, this video will teach you how to use betadine to treat hemorrhoids. I will also talk about how betadine can help you with anal fissures. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Betadine can be used on fissures and hemorrhoids by taking a tissue or a cotton ball and add a few drops of betadine on it and gently wipe the affected area. First you will notice a sting, but after a while pain relief. Use this 1 to 3 times a day and after bowel movement, but no longer than a week. Betadine can also be used in sitz baths by adding 5 to 10 milliliters of betadine to the water and soak in it for 15 minutes 2 to 3 times a day or after bowel movement. Betadine solution or cream is only meant to be used for external problems. You'll have to clean the anus surrounding area first before applying betadine on it. Then take only a small amount of the solution or the cream and apply it to the anus surrounding area. Use the solution or cream about 2 to 3 times a day regularly or as instructed on the packaging. Regular usage of betadine can help faster results and manageable to mild hemorrhoids, and you'll see the results by yourself. Betadine is a combo product with different ingredients that can be found in many different forms in the market. They're mostly used for treating minor wounds including burning and infectious wounds. It's been used for multiple occasions for many years and so on. And betadine, a form of povidone iodine, is also one of the ways to treat hemorrhoids, although not the most talked about. Betadine's many abilities including anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties help you to heal hemorrhoids quickly than other natural remedies. Hemorrhoids are a very irritating condition that is seen mostly in middle-aged people. How use betadine solution for piles? Betadine, also known as povidone iodine, does have a lot of medical benefits that make them very useful for many skin conditions. Betadine products have been used to treat skin infections easily and quickly without any side effects. And recent researches have been done on how it helps to treat hemorrhoids problem efficiently. As stated before, it's very useful for treating skin conditions and wounds, and they're only for external uses. But we're only going to talk about how it helps to heal hemorrhoid conditions right below. Betadine for hemorrhoids and anal fissures. Hemorrhoids are swollen blood veins that can be found in the anal canal, and they can be very irritating. They look like inflamed sacs that can be either inside or outside of the anal canal, and that depends on the type of hemorrhoids someone has. They tend to grow very fast if the patient tolerates long-term constipation. There are other factors at play as well, including pregnancy and heavy weight lifting. These inflamed sacs block the anal canal from releasing the stools smoothly. Oftentimes, there are bleeding sessions in the anal canal due to extreme strains caused by these hemorrhoids. This can be a very irritating experience for the patients, and sometimes it gets so painful that they can't even sit. We know this much, that hemorrhoids cause the inside of the anus to become dry and itchy. Will betadine kill bacteria? Most of them happen because the wounds often are infected, and the infections do tend to spread faster. Applying the betadine solution or ointment to the anus area can reduce the strains in the anal canal. Povidone iodine has a lot of benefits on our skins because of its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic abilities. It helps infected wounds from spreading out, which can be very helpful for anal fissures and hemorrhoids. Betadine mainly works by stopping the infections and also works as a tumoricidal agent to heal the hemorrhoids quickly and efficiently. And when applied on the external sides of anal fissure or hemorrhoids, it heals the wound. If used regularly, manageable hemorrhoids will be treated very quickly and faster without any side effects. The ointment soothes the area by reducing the strains inside the anal canal, which can cause severe bleeding sessions while passing stools. It can help you treat constipation by healing the inflamed sacs inside the anus. Povidone iodine for hemorrhoids. Povidone iodine deals with infectious materials from the anus. They also have anti-inflammatory abilities that help the swollen veins in your anal canal. They reduce the strains inside the anal canal hugely after regularly using betadine solution on anal fissure or hemorrhoids. Betadine can also help you deal with long-term constipation and eases the bowel movement more smoothly. A lot of researches have been done to see how betadine helps anal fissures and hemorrhoids to heal quickly. Hemorrhoids can be such a heavy burden if you leave them untreated for a very long time. The early stages of hemorrhoids can be easily treated with betadine and some simple lifestyle changes. You can use betadine solution directly on the anus area and get faster positive results. There are different povidone iodine products you can find in your area that includes ointment solution, creams, and many more. Betadine 10% solution is the most used product for fighting against hemorrhoids, and that's not all. They can be very useful for reducing strains from your anal canal. And they heal anal fissures and hemorrhoids very quickly with the least side effects. Of course, there are no side effects if you use it on a proper amount. But be advised that only external use of betadine should be on proper amount. No need to take it more than you need, and it shouldn't be used if you have internal hemorrhoids. Betadine versus iodine. Betadine is a combo of povidone and iodine and can be found in several forms in the market right now. Only using iodine on your skin conditions, or in this case, hemorrhoids, can be a bit harmful. Povidone slows down the harmful effect of iodine and it helps external wounds from straining. So the combo of povidone and iodine works best for the sake of your hemorrhoids to heal quickly than just applying iodine alone. Betadine helps to heal a lot of annoying symptoms caused by anal fissure and hemorrhoids. Betadine solution reduces the irritability and itchiness caused by a dry anal canal. And of course, hemorrhoids are responsible for causing your anal canal to be dry and irritating in the first place. So, using betadine is very helpful in treating hemorrhoids quickly and efficiently. What to remember before using betadine on hemorrhoids? First of all, betadine is never meant to use other than for external uses only. If it's prescribed by your doctor, use it exactly how it was prescribed. Don't use more than you need, both in amount and frequency. Excess use of betadine can have irritating side effects and they're never satisfying. If you feel like your condition is worsening or realize that you're allergic to the medication, stop using it immediately. Always remember to wash your hands before and after applying betadine on your hemorrhoids. If you have a severe case of anal fissure or hemorrhoids, betadine won't work fast enough to relieve you from the symptoms. It might even worsen your condition. To approach a different and faster way of treating it. If betadine does not help you in a week, contact your doctor for a medical opinion about the condition. Thank you for watching, and if you got any value from the video, hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.